My name is Rizwan Ali Khan. I come from United Kingdom for a wedding of my brother. My sister's getting married next month. The full family is here for this special occasion. Nasser Madani and me have been friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, through a friend for a couple of months, say since December, I think. Nasser Madani wanted a laptop of me. I told him there was a wedding in the UK. I was going to Pakistan and there's a wedding. And I asked him, what does he want? He said he wanted a laptop. I have full proof of all my conversations with Nasser Madani, where he's demanding money, demanding laptops. This guy is a fraud, nothing else. He is claiming that I have kidnapped him. How can you kidnap somebody from Lahore coming to Khariyah? He has come in his own vehicle, which was a Toyota Black Fortune 7-seater. I was in my own car. I come, seen him at Ajwa restaurant, Khariyah. We had a good time there. He had something to eat. Basically, I told him, he requested he wanted a laptop from me, and I bought it from UK to give him. Nasser Madani keeps saying in his statement, I kidnapped him, my driver I sent to him for Billu, whatnot, I don't know. He's making all these false allegations up. He's lying. He owes me 7.5 lakh in rupees. I can show you proof after I have finished my statement. I have bought a laptop from the United Kingdom to give to Nasser Madani. There is a lot of money involved between me and Nasser Madani. There is no other politics or any other thing involved besides money. This guy is a thief, he's a chore, he is harassing me, my family. The Punjab police is also harassing my family. My two brothers have been unlawfully arrested in this case, which I can prove was not even involved. Nasser Madani, when he came to Khariyah, he had something to eat. He had also some friends there from Khariyah Kent, which also attended Ajwa restaurant. Nasser Madani admitted in front of everyone in Ajwa that he is taking money off me. People was coming up to me, not to me, sorry, coming up to Mr. Madani sir and taking selfies. He said, please wait. Let me ask the person who has invited me, who has paid me 4 lakhs now and lakh after, then I will take photos with you. The police need to do their job, look at the CCTVs, and then come and arrest me if I am in the wrong. I am up on bail right now. I didn't come before because I was scared because of my family being arrested. My brothers unlawfully been arrested. The police come to my house, jumping up and down for no reason. My brothers have been interrogated for 18 hours, Khariyah police station. First of all, I would like to say, if this event took place in Khariyah, the file is taken to Lahore. I do not understand why the case has gone to Lahore for. There is no reason for this to go to Lahore. Yes, there is, because Madani Sahib has got big high-level contacts in Lahore. Him and the people who are behind him, I don't know. All it is all about the money. For me, this person has come into my house. I paid him, I gifted him laptop. He's come to my house. This is my mother here, my sister's here. He said he was going to do some dumb. I said, okay, my sister is not mentally, well, spiritually she has problems. We have left UK, there is approximately 30 people here at the moment. We're here on a family thing. I wanted the things to get better because obviously my sister here, she will take over now to explain what happened to her and how I got involved. Basically, Madani came to my house, parked his car, gone to my mum, done dumb on her. I was there, my sister was there. There was nobody else there at that time. Madani Saab said to me, but he's not Saab anymore, he's just Madani for me, Madani Chor. That's what I claim to him, Madani Chor. If you like it, you like it. My mother, she's a very ill person. He turned down, he said to her, okay, you go outside. I said, okay, we go outside. He goes, to me, you go outside as well. I said, okay. She got some spiritual things with her, and he wants to take them away. I said, okay. After my sister went in, she was already sitting there, my mother and myself, we left the room. After a couple of minutes, I will leave it to my sister to describe the event, then I will take over.